Ever wondered how your kitchen could become a masterpiece of modern design? Today, we're diving into the trends shaping the culinary spaces of 2024. So, buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey of innovation and style. Are you ready to bid farewell to traditional ranges? The induction cooktop is taking the spotlight in 2024. Not just a space saver, its sleek and modern aesthetic brings a touch of sophistication. Imagine the flexibility of placing your ovens away from the cooktop, creating a functional and visually appealing kitchen. It's a trend that's not just about cooking, it's about crafting a culinary masterpiece. Ever thought about the impact of lighting on your kitchen's ambiance? Move over pendant lights. 2024 is all about layered and understated lighting. From under-cabinet brilliance to toe-kick illumination, explore creative ways to light up your kitchen. Hit that like button if you're already envisioning your kitchen bathed in a warm, inviting glow. The next trend hitting the scene is the rise of the beverage station. Elevate your kitchen design with custom-built wet or dry bars, coffee corners, or wine displays. It's not just about functionality. It's about turning your kitchen into a place where memories are crafted and celebrations begin. The butler's pantry is not just a luxurious addition. It's a solution for those seeking extra storage and organization. Even in smaller spaces, creative design can transform corners or closets into beautiful and functional butler's pantries. It's the perfect blend of style and practicality. The Eden kitchen trend welcomes dining back into the heart of the home. As we move away from strictly open floor plans, this style incorporates the dining area into the kitchen, creating a communal hub for family and friends. It's a return to tradition with a modern twist. Open shelving continues to make waves in 2024, showcasing a clean and modern aesthetic. While it requires meticulous maintenance, the opportunity to display curated kitchen accessories under beautiful undershelf lighting is a trend many are embracing. On one end, we have the calm and sleek induction cooktop. On the other, the bold statement range hood steals the show. Transform your kitchen with a captivating range hood, either seamlessly integrated into cabinetry or boldly standing out as a focal point. It's a design choice that demands attention. Texture takes center stage with organic feel tiles. Move away from the uniformity of solid surfaces and embrace the variation and warmth of textured tiles. It's an earthy trend that adds character and charm to your kitchen space. Step outside as we embrace the trend of outdoor kitchens. Blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living, these spaces offer a chance to maximize your culinary adventures under the open sky. It's not just a kitchen, it's an outdoor experience. Bid farewell to neutral tones as colored and painted cabinets take the stage. Rich blues, elegant greens, and deep reds make a statement in 2024. While it's a bold choice, it adds a layer of personality to your kitchen. Remember, trends are for enjoyment, so choose what resonates with your style. And there you have it, the captivating kitchen trends of 2024. Which one resonates with you the most? Drop a comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more design inspiration, and until next time, happy designing. Thank you.